In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your alumni on LinkedIn fast. Before we dive into this, let's start by heading over to LinkedIn's website. Open your web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll see the sign in option right away. Now, if you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can set one up quickly using options like Google, Microsoft, or simply your email address. Be sure to choose a secure password to protect your account. And just a quick note, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account by sending a code to your phone number. It's an added layer of security that ensures it's really you trying to log in. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the page. Here's where all the magic begins. Type in the name of your school or university to locate its official LinkedIn page. Pay close attention here because many institutions have both a school page and a company page. You want to make sure you're clicking on the right one, the school page, which is specifically designed for current students and alumni. Once you've located your school's page, take a look at the navigation panel on the left side there. You'll find the Alumni tab. Just one click on this tab opens up an impressive overview of your school's alumni network. This is where you'll get to explore what your fellow graduates have accomplished since finishing school, and you'll also discover where they are now in their careers. It's pretty exciting to see the vast array of paths alumni have taken. From this alumni page, LinkedIn provides you with several filtering options. You can fine-tune your search based on location, company, industry, and even specific skills. These filters are incredibly useful for zeroing in on alumni who match your particular interests or career path. It's about making your search as efficient as possible, ensuring that you find exactly who you're looking for. Once you've narrowed down your list and identified alumni you're interested in connecting with, it's time to take the next step, reaching out. An effective and personable way to make a connection is by sending a personalized message. Mention that you both attended the same school, and express your genuine interest in building a professional relationship. This personal touch not only increases the likelihood of your connection request being accepted but also sets the stage for potentially meaningful interactions. After you've sent out your connection requests, be patient, as responses may take some time. Using LinkedIn to connect with your alumni network is not just about networking, it's an opportunity to learn from those who share a similar educational background, paving the way for potential collaboration and career advancement. Now you're all set to find and connect with alumni on LinkedIn efficiently. Good luck, and make the most of your networking opportunities.